Pig. Peppa goes to hospital. Today we're going to visit Pedro Pony in hospital, Madame Gazelle tells the class. Pedro's leg is broken and the doctors are mending it. Peppa has never been to the hospital before.
Except when I was born, of course,
Peppa says. I'm wearing my nurse outfit, Susie Sheep says, because hospitals are very serious. But when the class arrives on the children's ward, the walls are full of color. Ooh! They all say as they set off to find Pedro. Pedro is in bed with his leg in a plaster cast. Does it hurt? Zoe Zebra asks. It did at first, Pedro says, but not anymore. Do you want to draw on it?
What's it like being in hospital?
Asks Peppa. It's great, replies Pedro. Nurse gives me stickers and comes whenever I press this button. Beep, beep. Another nurse comes with a trolley. Lunchtime, she says. Spaghetti and sponge pudding, please, says Pedro.
Wow! You get to eat in bed!
Gasped Peppa. Dr. Brown Bear visits Pedro. You're nearly better and ready to go home. The bell rings. Visiting time has ended. Get well soon, waved the children. A few days later, Pedro is back. Where is your plaster cast? Asked his friends. My leg is all better. It's a super leg now, Pedro says. Thank you for visiting me in hospital.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.